Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today we're diving into one of the biggest questions of our time. Can artificial intelligence ever truly be conscious? A recent paper by a team of researchers doesn't try to answer this question directly. Instead, they've created a fascinating roadmap to help organize all the different reasons why someone might argue no. They break down the objections against AI consciousness into three main levels of abstraction, as well as 3 degrees of force. The first level is all about what a system does, its inputs and outputs. For example, some thinkers argue that human minds can understand things that are fundamentally non-computable, something a standard computer could never do. If consciousness requires this special ability, then today's AI is on the wrong path entirely. The second level looks at how a system does what it does, the specific algorithm or process it uses. Think of it like this. You can sort a list of numbers in different ways, and even though the end result is the same, the method is different. Some arguments here suggest consciousness might require analog processing, where information is represented by continuous physical quantities, unlike the discrete ones and zeros of digital computers. Others point out that physical time, which is crucial for our experience, has no real role in standard computational models. The third and deepest level asks if consciousness depends on the physical stuff a system is made of and how it's organized. This is where you get arguments that consciousness is fundamentally biological. Perhaps it requires the specific, messy complexity of our brains, or even the electromagnetic fields our neurons generate. The paper also classifies how strong each objection is. Some arguments just say our current theories about minds being like computers are wrong, but don't rule out digital consciousness entirely. Others suggest it's not impossible, but just incredibly difficult and improbable to achieve in a digital system. And then there are the strongest arguments, which claim that digital consciousness is strictly impossible, period. One famous theory, Integrated Information Theory, or IIT, is a great example of a Level 3 argument. It claims that consciousness depends on a system's causal structure, how its parts are interconnected and influence each other in a specific way. According to this view, a standard computer running a program, even one that perfectly mimics a brain, wouldn't be conscious because the underlying causal power is all in the CPU, not in the virtual simulation itself. So, to recap, the researchers have created a powerful tool for understanding the debate. They've shown that saying AI can't be conscious isn't one single argument, but a whole family of different claims. These arguments target different aspects of AI, from what it can compute, to how it computes, to what it's made of. This framework helps clarify exactly what's at stake when we discuss the future of AI. By understanding these challenges, researchers can better focus on which problems need to be solved if we're ever to build a truly conscious machine. What do you think is the biggest hurdle for AI consciousness? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and we'll see you in the next one.